Well, welcome everyone. It is January, what is today? The 17th, 2018. And this is Aurora. You say Aurora. Aurora. Okay, and Aurora got her Barkbox today. She is very excited to open it. Oops. Okay, Aurora, you want to open this? Can you open it yourself? Go ahead, try. Get your box. Open your Barkbox. Are you excited? Do you want to know what's inside? You want to open your Barkbox? Come on, let's open it. Come on. Here we go. All right, let me do this. I'm doing this one-handed, of course. All right, let's open this up. What do we have? She's not even going to read the paper. What does it say? It says Barkbox. And look at, I see a king. Oh, what do we have? Oh, well, there it goes already. Aurora. Oh, she's coming back. It says, crown your dog. Oh, look how cute this is. This is a little crown. Aurora, look at. All right, let's look at the other side. The Knights of the Round Table. Hear ye, hear ye. This fair month join thy dog for an incredible journey to the age of #NightArtFur. In this Barkbox, every toy leads to epic adventure. She said, let's take a peek at her. Sorry, it's a little out of focus. I think she's very excited with her toy. She wants to see what else there's here. Every treat is a merry feat, and rolling to the mud totally counts as a bark. Okay. Let's look at what else is in here. Oh my goodness. Look at this dragon. Aurora, can I see what that is? Look at this. This is Sherman the dragon. And how cute is he? Does he squeak? I'm sure he does. Hold on. Oh, he does. She took the other toy right. There she goes with that one. Can you tell she loves her Barkbox? What else do we have? We have dozers. And it's hard to see this, what it is. It's a dental chew for dogs 30 to 50 pounds. Well, my Aurora is about 28, so she's close. Then we have a banquet feast. Turkey and honey dog snacks. Cool. Wheat-free, corn-free, soy-free. So here is the back of it. And it's distributed by Barkbox. Let me flip this better so we can see. Eat, drink, and be hairy. Made with rich real turkey, sweet servings of honey, and wholesome potato. So she will like that. And then what else do we have? We have green bark gummies with Nutra Chia. Are they soft? They are. Skin and coat dog treats for rewarding and training. So we know that Aurora gets lots of awards. Rewards. So it's for her skin and her coat. And here is information on that. And then look at this cute paper. I save these papers all the time. Look at this big paper. And let's see what it says. Barkbox, the tale of. And then you fill all of this in. You make yourself a little story. Isn't that the cutest? She likes that, but I want to go see what the other toy is before she steals it. Let's see. Oh, it's a little knight. How stinking cute is that? And here's the little tag on there. I have to take the tags off. Squirrel Lancelot. Oh, it's a squirrel. Ah! Oh, there we go. How cute is that? So there we go. There is our Barkbox. And Aurora is going to steal that away and have some chewy fun. And we're going to open up the treats and we'll see what she thinks of those. Let me turn you this way. I think she's going to take, oh, she took the tag off herself. She's not even waiting. So I best go get to her before she hurts herself or chews up the tag and makes a total mess. So thanks so much for joining us for this month's Barkbox. I really enjoy getting these boxes, as does Aurora. And if you'd like information on getting your own Barkbox, just go ahead and shoot me an email at stampandsuecreates@gmail.com. And I'll set you up with that. She's going to tell Tommy, hey, look, I got a Barkbox. What did you get? Right, Aurora? What do you say? Is there any more in there? All right, so from Aurora and myself, we're going to say bye-bye for now. And thanks for stopping by. Say bye, Aurora. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. All right, everyone. See you later. Bye.